Hey guys, so today we will learn how to download Eclipse and we will write our first Java program. So what is Eclipse? Eclipse is an integrated development environment for developing applications using the Java programming language. It supports C, C++, Python, Perl. Eclipse can be used as an IDE for any programming language for which a plugin is available. So basically you will able to write your Java programs using Eclipse. How to download it? Let's go to Google, search for download Eclipse. Here you can see different types of Eclipse. So this one is for Java enterprise developers. The file size is heavy with lot of additional features which you may not need right now. So we'll go for Eclipse IDE for Java developers, this one. Here you can see download links for different operating systems. You can click on Mac as we are going to use it for our Mac. So you can click on this link. Click on download. Click on save. OK. So go to your download folder. Here is the DMG file. Double click on it. So here is your Eclipse. Put it inside your applications. So now Eclipse is inside your applications. You can open it from there. Let's go to applications. So here I can see the Eclipse. You can double click here to open it, or you can click on command and space and you can type Eclipse here. Just double click on it. Click on open. So here you can see you have to provide a workspace. Workspace is a directory in your system where you want to save your codes. Here you can browse and give your where you want to save it. For example, let me go here. I want to put it in my documents, for example, learn automation. So this is my folder location where I am going to save my code. You can click on this as a default directory. So always by default this will be your workspace. Click on launch. So here your Eclipse is ready. You can start writing your Java programs here. Let's create our first Java project. Right click here and under new you can see a Java project. Click on it. Now here you can see different options. Use as default location. So default location is already selected here. It means your project will be located inside our workspace. You can also change it if you can click here, and if you can click browse, whatever location you want to give, you can give and select that also. For now I am cancelling it. Let's use our default location, that is our workspace location. Here you can see JRE versions also. By default it is 1.8 which we have installed. You can also change whatever you want. Okay, so now Let's create our first project. I'm giving some name, Java for automation. So there are some naming conventions in Java. Whenever we create a project, a class, a method, a variable, we have to follow some naming conventions. So those things I'll tell you in my next tutorial. So let's wait for that. For now, just finish it. So your first project is ready. Now just click here. You can see different libraries. These are the default libraries Java having. Click on SRC, right click here. Now create a package. Give a package name. Now I'm giving package name as Java Basics. For example, let's see something. See here. It is telling package name usually starts with a lowercase. So you can go ahead and create, but that's not the best practice. Okay, finish. So your package is created. Now click here, click new and create a new class. Let's give a class name. You can click here, public static void main. So every Java class need a main method to execute it. Finish. So this is your class name, which is exactly same what we gave there. This is your main method. Inside this, we'll write our program, like our logic. So here what we want to do is, we'll try to print something. So in Java, to print something, you can type something like this. System.out dot println. So here you can see different options. So println is to print in a different lines. My first Java program. Save it, Control S. Then you can right click and click on run a Java application. See, your first program got executed. If you want to change something, like my first program, my first Java program is finished. Let's see whether it is getting printed or not. You can also execute from here, run a Java application. See here, here is your result. You can clear your console also. Right click here. You can clear from here. Okay, I can tell you one more thing. So there is a way to comment your code. For example, we want to comment this. It means it will not execute inside your program. So this is the single line comment. If you want to do multi-line comments, you can click like this, then start, then just click enter. So it's like you can do multiple lines. So all lines are commented, something like this. It will be helpful for you. So your first program is ready. So we are done with our first program. Let's run it for now. It's asking to share the program. Okay. See, this is done. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to explain it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.